Welcome to the video teaching lesson of Davis Public School CCL Grady. Myself is Bandhapadhyay. Last time we discussed about the chapter our community life, unity in diversity. Today we are discussing the same chapter, the latter part of it. Diversity in India. We know India is a land of different religions, various languages, different geographical patterns, the food habits, dresses. Taking all these things, on the other day we said that we have a composite culture. In diversity, we can say that we have different climatic conditions, different agricultural methods, types of soils, social and cultural varieties. At the same time, we have seen that these varieties altogether make our country a rich heritage, and that is the main precious thing we have, that we combine all these things, and taking all these things we proceed towards our unique gift, that is the diversity, and that diversity leads to unity in diversity. In unity in diversity, we have said that what type of unity? We know it is a vast country. The differences are there, varieties are there, diversities are there. But among all these diversities, we are united. We have a common historical background. We have a common cultural heritage. We live in the same land. We obey the same law of the land. We show our honor to the national anthem and the constitutional laws of the country. We have a common history of freedom struggle. All these things slowly gives a country a nature that we are coming in a particular position that our unity cannot be destroyed. The farmers of India, when they maintain or they celebrate the harvesting festival in the North India, we get the same tune in the South India. They are also celebrating harvesting festival. So this cultural unity is making us and taking us into a bond that cannot be destroyed necessarily. And we, the people of India, boast about this essence of unity. And our rich culture and our things, our thoughts and our beliefs, cooperation, all these things take us to a particular harmony. You can remember the song, and मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा सुर बने हमारा. That is the essence of unity in diversity. We have rural India. They lead a simple life. They are the producing areas of India. Every day they are struggling. The government of India, after independence, have started doing many things for them. They are getting the essence of development. At the same time, we know that they face many problems like casteism, untouchability, gender bias, differences between men and women, illiteracy and unemployment. We know that though they are facing this green India is the soul of India, and that is the base of our development. We have already gone through very green revolutions in many phases, and we have got the profit of it. If we see towards the rural, towards the urban India, after rural we can say another phase is the urban India. Life is smooth and comfortable in urban areas more than the rural areas. Rural people face many difficulties, but the urban people get many facilities, and the civic amenities are better in urban areas. So sometimes rural people, they, by attracting this lifestyle, they come towards the towns and start living in the towns. Though their life is more smooth, but the urban area is getting crowded. They have also facing some difficulties like road accidents, traffic jams, scarcity of drinking water, and sometimes the problems regarding employment, regarding education. But all these things are the part of our community life, and the local governments in the rural area like panchayats, and in the urban areas what we call the municipalities, municipal corporation, they are taking the responsibility to develop the life of the people of India. Thank you.